Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with December 6th or day 6 for my December daily for 2021, and also what I'm doing is 2019. Now, I don't know if you noticed there, but the white cardstock that I'm using was actually some digital prints that I had printed off, and I didn't like the shading, so I got Josh to fix it before we put it up for sale, but I had printed the entire collection. I don't know why I didn't notice it at first, but I didn't notice it. So anyway, so I'm not going to go let that cardstock go to waste. I'll just flip it on the other side and I'll use it as, a mat around my photos. So like I said, this is December 6th, and one thing that I'm doing this year is every day I'm taking a picture of the weather. So as soon as I wake up, I grab my phone, I take a picture of the day. So like today was the 14th. I go to my little calendar and I take a picture, and day 14th is highlighted. And then I take a picture of the weather. And the reason that I take a picture of the day is then when I'm going through my pictures to print them, it's so much easier to know, okay, the day starts here, and then the pictures are until I see another day picture. Instead of clicking on the picture and seeing what date it was taken, it's helping me a lot, because I found that in the other years, like I'm also doing 2019 this year, it's really a pain for me to find the pictures for that specific day. Another thing that I'm trying to do a lot this year is just take a ton of pictures. It doesn't have to be about, things that you're doing to prepare for December daily. It's just random stuff. Like here, I took 2 pictures of some files that I bought on Etsy, and it's because I'm making t-shirts for everybody for Christmas. We're going to have matching PJs and stuff. So I bought 2 different files, and I just kind of took a quick picture of it, and I put it in my December daily. I took a picture of one of our ornaments. I took a picture of our tree, and that's about it. Like that day, we must not have gone anywhere, and that's fine. And if there's certain days that you kind of lack on pictures, and let's say this day I took extra pictures, it's okay to take a picture from a previous day and then just move it on to the next day. Maybe you forgot to take pictures, but I'm trying to take maybe 10 pictures a day. And then that way, if it happens, life gets in the way, you're feeling kind of one day, you just don't feel like taking pictures, you'll have those extra pictures. And then I take stickers, and I noticed that I knew that, but I don't like journaling. So I'd rather put little stickers for little titles on each of the page. So that's going to be day 6 or December 6th for 2021. And I'm also working on my 2019 album. And this is how I noticed that, some days I just didn't take pictures, or I didn't take very many pictures. And that's where it's nice that I'm doing 2 years, because I am taking pictures of 2021 right now. So it's reminding me, hey, you got to take a little bit more pictures. So it's helping in that way. So now I'm going to take the cards out of the page protector, and then I'm going to start putting this page together. And I don't know about you, but it's not as if we're out and about 31 days of the month of December. It's not because it's December that we're out every day. So there's some days that we stay home, and actually because of, current events, our schedule just got messed up, if you will, and we're going to be spending a lot of time at home. So what I thought I was going to be taking pictures of just got flipped on its head, and I won't be taking pictures of those things. So now I'm kind of left scrambling. But what I decided to do, since I'm going to be, stuck at home quite a bit, is I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking. Yesterday, I did quite a bit of chicken freezer meals, and I'm going to be trying to do like some with hamburgers, and I didn't film it. Let me know in the comments down below if I think I'm going to do it, but I'd like to know how many people would be interested in seeing some freezer cooking meals. If anybody's like me, I am so tired of the same old, same old. I want new recipes. And yesterday I did a chicken teriyaki. It's like a marinade, and I did 3, and then I did them early enough that I put 1 in the fridge, and it stayed in the fridge all day. So by the time it was supper time, it had marinated for a good 4 to 5 hours, and it was really good. And I did 2 more for the freezer, and I did 2 or 3 other different types of chicken freezer meal. And I think the way I'm going to do it, and I'm not going to do it like a whole bunch of different ones, like I might put them all in one video or a few in one video, but I like the fact that like yesterday I did chicken, and then another day I'll concentrate on maybe some hamburger freezer meal, and you know, I'll try to find something that I like for pork chop freezer meals. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. I'm also going to be making some meat pies, and I think I've had so many people ask me to share how I make my meat pies, and I make them more like a one-person little meat pie. So I think I'll be doing a video on that, and then on some cookies too. And you know, since the month of December is, you know, doing a lot of cooking, I'm going to be sharing with you this month some of my favorite recipes, right from cookies to some freezer meals and all that kind of stuff. But let's get back to this December daily. So I had taken a picture of, you know, doing laundry, some gift buying. We had bought a couple of big purchases. We bought a 3D printer and a lathe to make some diamond painting pens. We made quite a few, but my husband is just too busy right now with his work, and he's the one that was doing that, so that's why we didn't pursue that. So that could be something maybe he can do when he's retired, but we'll still have the machine, so it's not going to go to waste. He's made quite a few for me, and I've given away quite a few as gifts too. And what else? This was some gifts that we purchased. And this one here is one of our new snow globes. I do have a video that's going to come out probably tomorrow. And the way that I enjoy the most turning these little snow globes into snow globes, if you will. But that's going to finish it for today. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.